To begin, make a chain that measures the length of your foot from heel to toe. I'm making this for 9 months to 1 year. I need 5 inches. So I have made 24 chains measuring 5 inches. Then I will add 3 more chains for turning. 1, 2, 3. I will skip the 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Go through the next chain space, make a double crochet. Go through the next chain space, make a double crochet, and I will continue making 1 double crochet into every chain space across until I finish this chain. Make 1 double crochet into every chain space across until you reach the end of your chain. When I get at the end of the chain, I will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. After turning, skip the first stitch because the chain 3 is counted as a double crochet coming from this first stitch. I will go through the next stitch, make a double crochet, go through the next stitch, make a double crochet, continue making 1 double crochet into every stitch until the end. Make 1 double crochet into every stitch until the end of this row 2. You make 1 double crochet into every stitch across until the end, up to the top of the chain 3. The chain 3 that we skipped when beginning round 1, so that the ends are straight and uniform. To begin the next round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet into every stitch across. You skip the first one because the chain 3 is coming from the first stitch. Go to the next stitch, make a double crochet. Go to the next stitch, make a double crochet. Continue making 1 double crochet into every stitch until the end, including the top of the chain at the end so that the ends are straight and uniform. I will continue working this way until I have 5 rows. I have made 5 rows of double crochets, and from here to here, this row measures 3 inches. To begin the next row, I'm chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. I have 25 stitches across. I will make double crochets until I'm about halfway. I'm going to make 13 double crochets. I will skip the first stitch because the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Go to the second stitch, make a double crochet. Continue making double crochets until I have 13. So far I have 3. I will continue until I make 13. After making 13 double crochets across, I have 12 stitches left, but I'm not going that side. I will chain 3 and work these 13 stitches until I have 4 rows. I will work this portion until I have 4 rows. This is row 2. I will meet you at the end of row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will chain 1 and cut this yarn. Then reattach my yarn here and chain the number of stitches that I skipped here. I have 12 stitches. I will attach my yarn here. Chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After chaining 12, I add 3 chains for turning. 1, 2, 3. Then skip the 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain and make a double crochet. and continue making double crochets in this chain until I finish this chain. When I'm done working the 12 stitches, so I have 12 stitches this side, the same count as this one, they are 12. The skipped chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Counting from the skipped chain 3, I have 12 double crochets across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 13 stitches across, beginning from this one. I'm going to make 13 double crochets. This is one. Go to the next. 2. Continue until you finish all these stitches. Now I have the same number of stitches as this other portion. You chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Skip the first stitch because the chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Go through the second stitch, make a double crochet. Go through the next stitch, make a double crochet. This is round 2. I made 5 rows here, so continue until you make 5 rows. I have made 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side I have 5 rows as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will chain 1 and cut. Then after that, I'm going to fold into 2 this way. Then I will sew across this side and this side. You sew across. Continue sewing across. When you get to this corner, you continue to this side. I will meet you at this side. After sewing across this side and this side, first I will secure this yarn by going through this last stitch this way. Then all these stitches I will make a zigzag pattern by going in through one stitch, going out through the next stitch, continue until you finish all these stitches and you get to the point where you started. After going in and out of all these stitches and you get to the point where you started, you pull this yarn to close this hole. Then fasten your yarn at this point. Then turn this inside out. And that marks the end of this tutorial. Make another shoe exactly the same way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like my video, Then I will see you in the next tutorial.